Good morning, guys, and welcome to FX Market Strategy. So we do have this pound Japanese yen chart. Okay. So Musco Franz 97, welcome. Is asking, do you do forex classes? I'm preparing a course right now with the team. Hopefully, within a month or so, it will be ready. Okay, guys. Pound dollar target. Which point do you? But pound dollar, not pound Japanese yen. Okay, we can talk about that one. Busy trade. Thank you, man. Dilwala, hey. Okay. So we can start right now, guys. So basically, what's happening pound Japanese yen is a trend, right? Okay. And basically here in the FIBO levels, if you take this wave, okay, from here to there, so you've got some levels to be kind of watching. You do have a very clear trend line. This was a support, okay, guys. So this area was a support right here. Okay, support again, support the trend line. Okay, support the trend line, support the trend line, support the trend line. But the trend started getting exhausted. So if you notice this was a nice high. Okay, let's make it blue, right, guys? That was a nice high. The trend did come, but it didn't reach the previous low. Okay, so it did make a higher low. So if that was a low, okay, that's a higher low two. Okay, that's high one. Okay, that's high two. So this high is higher, right? So this one compared to this one is higher. The definition of an uptrend, okay, lower highs and lower lows. So it did come here, okay, it did make a correction, but this correction didn't break this low, okay. It did come to test this almost high area, high range, and bang, it did reach to make a new high. So that was another high right here. See this high to this high, right? Then this high to this high is high, this low to this low is high. You come to this low, the trend is exhausted. So the MACD also, you get a divergence. So if you do put the MACD, this is gonna look see right here and there. If we convert this in the MACD, it's gonna be something like this. That's supposed to, the second one's supposed to be higher. It's gonna be something really small like this. So you get divergence in the MACD. Okay. So for this one to this one. So yesterday we did sell the pound Japanese yen. You guys already in our some of you already in our free channel.
Incoming mail.
Hey guys, so you can just send me a message. We can talk about this after. So this, the trend is exhausted. What I'm talking about, the MACD. So we are seeing a divergence right here, spot and divergence, right? So let's open the MACD and we see if the MACD did make a divergence or not. Okay, so we're gonna go to the indicators right there, and we're just gonna type MACD. The MACD are one of the strongest divergence you can get. Okay, guys. Right there. See here what I'm talking about? See this area right there and this area. If you compare those two, that's a divergence. Even me, without opening the MACD, I knew the MACD would be drawn a divergence right here. See, guys? Okay, so that was a divergence right here. Immediately after I have seen this low, this high, lower than this low at the end of the trend, and I compare. So I'm just gonna take all this noise away, guys. Okay, you have seen it already. We explained this one. So basically, that was the low right there. This one. Sorry, just to go over this quickly, so all this drawing we can delete. So that's the low, right? Okay, and that's the high. Nice. You come here, you make a new high, and the new low is a little bit higher, which is good. Okay, that's fine. Okay, you come to this area, you make a lower high, weak trend, bang, or weak confirmation. Okay, then you come to this low is lower. This low is lower, sign of reversal. Okay, then you come this area. Okay, you come to retest the trend. I'm just gonna remove this here. See this? The price did go back up to retest this uptrend. This trend, guys. See this trend? This one? Okay. The price did go back up to hold and it's like bang. See how much it did fall? 150, 160 to 151.5 in no time. Okay. So right now we are trading below this trend line. There is a big chance we're going to continue coming down, and we can see that 150.38, 149.90, then 149.10. Okay. So that was a retest and it did fail. So from here in the MACD, you should be able to spot a reverse. At least expect it. Even if you don't trade it, even if you didn't take a trade, you need as a trader to be able to catch this from here. Okay, see that here? This area right here and this area right here. That's it. That's a divergence in the MACD. You need to understand the momentum of the trend was weakening right there between those two highs. Okay, that's a double top also, and the second top is lower than this one. You couldn't reach. Okay, guys. So I did come here to test this support resistance area because we said this is a massive support resistance, the 150, 150 right there. Okay, so this break. So go back to this one. Now it did break this one. It needs to retest a little bit. Okay, to see if it's gonna hold or not. Who's gonna win this? Okay, so we're just gonna clean our chart. So we're gonna move all the drawings and that's it. Okay, guys. So basically, we can explain more in the MACD. MACD, one of the strongest indicators you can trade with. Okay, don't underestimate the MACD. So here, if you do compare this, let's just put a vertical line. This high. Okay, guys, with high. So what we're doing now, we're just comparing highs. Bang. That's it. That's clear. See, as the price is just almost even here, right? Price is almost even. The MACD is just saying, I'm going down big time. And that was it. Okay, that was a beautiful signal. So right here, we can just, because sometimes this is not shown, so I'm just going to type pound JPY, H1. So explain divergence MACD. Okay, guys. So as the price is moving sideways, so right here I can type. So prices moving sideways, or could be higher, or could be higher. Okay, could be higher. So right here, the price is moving sideways, or could be higher. What we're gonna see down the MACD. Okay, so the drawing is going lower. What is this? Actually, this is the price change. This is the rate of price change. So guys, if you, so this is like a speed. Okay, here, and this is like acceleration. Okay, so if you compare both of these two, that's like the speed and that's the acceleration. So if you're going in a car, your speed could be going higher, but the rate of change of speed to going higher is actually going lower. Let's say it again. You could be going faster. Okay, you could be going faster by your car, but I would say you're slowing down. You would say how? I would say because the rate of change of your speed currently compared to what you have been doing is less. So you're actually losing momentum. You're losing speed. You're losing acceleration. Okay? So that's acceleration and that's speed. Okay, guys? Okay, so that was a quick one about this one. We can probably jump to something else. Okay, guys? Gold. We can jump to the Bitcoin on fire today. We can probably go buy some. Link, guys. So some of my friends told me about this is good. Oh, that's a good buy. So right here we can trade MACD. See guys, see the MACD right there? That's a good buy. Okay. Let's put our support resistance area in a bigger time frame. Right here, that's a very strong sub. That's really strong because this was holding right here. Okay. We'll just take the last wait, see. That could be a good signal. See the divergence. See this one? As the price is going lower, right? The MACD was telling you I'm actually even or going higher. So that was also divergence right here. See, and that's the bank. So that will probably continue. There's a big chance. Your first target is here, your second target is right there. And that's link, okay? So that's link in 1 hour time frame. I bought a chart of this one to buy it for longer term. Okay, guys, that's a potential good one. Okay. This currency is going crazy. There is a big chance this is gonna continue big time. But as more people interested in the Bitcoin, so and this is start getting a nice MACD signal right here. Okay, guys. See here, as the price actually, the price is going higher, but the MACD is going deeper down. Okay. So that's probably a good signal of a buy. Okay, guys, that's probably a good signal of a buy. So what we be expecting, we'll be expecting the MACD to plot it all the way here. All the way here. And this high, 76. 67, 76 area, this range, okay? Why I'm saying this? Because if you compare, see this high was at like 52, okay? To be able to go to a higher high here, this one, that was 62. So the next stage make actually a new high in the MACD even equal to this one. So to come back in the MACD to equal to this one, this must be about 67. Okay, guys, does this make sense? So if we're gonna go back to 60, it's gonna be here. If we're gonna go back to 76 or so, we're gonna be there. So if we go back to smaller stuff, and we're gonna go to our Renko. Okay. So basically, what you want to do is just first go to 5 minutes. See, that's the movement right there. That's the trend line. Okay, guys. And that's okay. That was the recent channel. That was broken. That was really nice. Okay. Just to put some levels here. So probably this one level important. And this one. Just gonna remove this session break right there. No need. Okay, guys. So this is very solid so far. Okay. So I think as long as we're above this one, we're probably going all the way. First, of course, this small target but I think we're gonna take it. Then second is this big one. Then after this 67. Okay. My forecast is 67. So 66900 is my second target. Okay, guys. Going back to the 1 second. I'm just gonna remove the MACD right here. So we want to take only buys, guys. So that's a new buy signal. It's probably next target 56, 500. Okay, guys. But we must not breach the 54,200. 54,200 is very, very important. So okay, guys, so we've got an idea about what's going on now. So we can see the Bitcoin probably as also as the Feds are gonna, have their statement. So probably a little bit of fear and the stock market falling. So we can see the Bitcoin is rising and gaining from this. So the Bitcoin is only a buy for me now. Okay, that is 54,200. Okay, guys, that was a quick update today. I hope that was in benefit for you guys. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.